Okay, I see this. See the free tag right there on the hoodie. Mopar or nothing, brother. Good strikers. Oh shit, that motherfucker bag. Good pearl. Drag pack. Okay, little Mazda thing. Striker? Striker? Striker?
Good M3.
Good striker. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Oh, and this one?
Hell yeah. Which one?
This one's newer.
I was about to go to that one next.
Clean up.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. It's the same one?
Yeah, just newer year.
Okay.
I ride like this, like one of y'all. Unfortunately. It's weird with the.
Yeah, I don't know nothing about bikes.
I was gonna say,
If you had the people, which one you
what the
gonna
fuck
pick?
is it? It's the clutch.
Probably the 600.
Yeah.
Because my homeboy had an R6.
The shifter is here. So downshift, and then upshift is the third. But I usually
Okay.
neutral drive.
Good one.
No, we don't have
Holy shit. Good carbon thing. Good Type R. Good Draco. Good RX. Female driven, okay.
Is that the buggy?
I think so.
Nah, it has to be.
Good sound system. Okay. Good go. Good go.
Good go.
Oh, does that make you miss yours right there? See the white one? Ooh, and it's a white. Is it the same one?
I think it has a stock finish with it.
Should I come bring my car?
Bring it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's IS. This is even better.
What you think about that one? He's butter. Oh, man. Alright. So, you gonna buy a little Hot Wheels?
have to do that. I do that to myself today.
What is that?
What's going on with this?
Good 5.0 swap. It's good
Wait. This is 5.0.
Good 5.0 swap. We got a little lead. Okay. Bruh.
That shit's it's got the Mustang cluster.
I seen that. It's swap.
Oh man, this is what the Volvo guy was talking about.
This is dope.
Fucking 4.6 modular. Yeah. I mean, my car's got the same thing in it. The Thunderbird's right behind the Honda. Yeah, you can see the long.
What year is yours?
97.
97.
Yeah, so it's got the.
Is yours auto?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know they don't make them in manual and they have a foot brake instead of a e-brake. Oh, that's some clever shit you got for the headlights.
You gonna do that too?
Yeah.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Like tuck it under the hood.
Okay.
With some like 10-inch headlights.
Okay.
Or 6-inch.
Okay.
You recording?
Yeah. I'm vlogging.
Light.
Yeah, we'll get to it right now. It'll be in the vlog.
Yeah, but the Volvo guy was talking about you, man. I was like, finally a Miata that's not an LS. I've never seen those full things. But the fucking alternator's sticking out though.
Yeah.
Oh shit. There's a kid-friendly channel, I said something.
No, no kid friendly.
Okay.
Good SI.
I mean, shit, my car ain't kid-friendly anymore. I call it the miscarriage machine. Look. Even that guy knows what's up.
Yep. Good Honda boy right there. I'm a Honda boy. Should I come park my car right here too? Should I go get my car? Good food.
Bro was following us for a second.
I know. Oh, that's why I was like. That's why I was like. I was like, Steezy.
You on your own for a second. Hey, yo.
Nah, we're not gonna forget the fact that you just left me there for a fucking stranger. Bro, what the fuck? Okay.
I had to
Can't see anything, but okay.
evacuate.
Are the twins? What the hell is that?
What?
Oh, it's a monster. Brother. Far away, but yeah, we got him. Good Honda. Go peep his car. It's coming up. It's dropped. Hey, yo, smack me. Hit me. Oh. You think he got purples?
Does it pop?
You got purples, bro?
Too slow.
Fuck.
That's right.
My SI is slower than this shit. Just know. It got purples. I want to see this E55. Good E55, Lambert. Good E55.
And with the S. AMG S.
I'm snag. Oh shit.
carbon diffuser.